Good morning, students. Myself Pratima Gupta. I am your English teacher. I hope you all are well. So today I will teach you poem Don't Be Afraid of the Dark, written by Ruskin Bond. Let's start the poem by reading these lines. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun may be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it must seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. So, this is a short poem of 8 lines where the poet Ruskin Bond tells a little child not to be afraid of the dark. Generally, we know very well small children are afraid of night because it is associated with darkness and evil. And often, this fear is created by the elders of the family by telling them the scary stories. So, in this poem, the poet addresses one such little child not to be afraid of the dark and explains why it is important for the night to come after day. Let's go through the line. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The poet says that it is important for the sun to go down after the whole day so that the earth can take rest during the night and everyone can sleep peacefully. The sun may be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. The poet explains that how the sun can be harsh by shining too strongly upon the earth, but moonlight never. The light of the moon is always calm and soothing, neither too bright nor too strong. It relaxes our mood and giving us a break after the day. Further, the poet adds, the stars that shine so brightly in the night, it shines forever and ever to give us light and hope. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. So, night is a friend to us, and there is nothing to be afraid of it. At night, we can take relief from the daily work and let our thoughts travel far and near in our dreams and just take a peaceful sleep. By day, it must seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Also, unlike the morning that announces with the trouble, thoughts, and worries of the day, night is peaceful and calm. There is nothing to be afraid of the dark, as everyone can sleep peacefully without any fear and without any worries. So, student, I hope you might understood the explanation of this poem. Just go through these lines, listen every line carefully so you might understood this explanation. So keep learning, stay healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.